All right, here's another system of equations we're going to solve algebraically. Again, you'll notice that they both equal y. So we'll set them equal to one another. 3/2 x plus 1 equals 2x plus 2. Now you have a couple options. You can change this into a fraction, into a decimal, or you can leave it as is. I'm going to leave it as is because we need some practice with our fractions. And now we have a nice easy solution to solve. I'm going to subtract 3/2 x from both sides because I'm undoing the fact that this is a positive. 3/2 x minus 3/2, those cancel. I'm left with just a 1 here. 2x minus 3/2 x is 1/2 x, and the 2 stayed the same. Now, again, our goal is still to get x alone, right? So I'm now going to subtract the 2 from both sides that's sitting here because I'm undoing this positive operation. Those cancel. And I'm left with 1 minus 2 is -1 equals 1/2 times x. This is saying half of a number is -1. Do we know what that number is? Well, in normal circumstances, we would divide by the coefficient of x. And really, when we divide by a fraction, we actually multiply. So this is saying -1 split into 2 parts is actually -2. That's the first part of our solution. Again, I'm going to choose one of these nice equations to solve for y, because we've solved for x. I'm going to use the second equation. It looks easier. This is going to go in for this x here. So y equals 2 times -2 plus 2. Lots of 2's. Y equals -4 plus 2. Y is also going to be -2. Therefore, our point of intersection is -2, -2. That's the solution to our system of equations.